In this video, I'm going to break down the best types of concrete mixes for DIY projects that you can actually handle without turning your backyard into a mess. Alright, so when you're picking a concrete mix for DIY stuff, you want to look for one that's easy to work with, but still tough enough for what you need. First up, ready-mix concrete bags are super popular because they come pre-mixed with all the right ingredients, just add water and stir. If you're doing smaller projects like stepping stones or garden planters, a fast-setting mix is clutch since it hardens quicker and saves you waiting time. For tougher jobs, like driveways or patios, go for a standard mix with a good balance of cement, sand, and gravel. This'll hold up under weight and weather. Now, if you're working on something thin, like a countertop or a decorative slab, mortar mix is your friend because it's designed for thinner layers and bonds well to surfaces. Also, keep an eye out for high-strength mixes if you need extra durability. They're usually labeled with terms like high performance or structural. When mixing, always add water slowly until you get a peanut butter-like consistency. Too watery and your concrete won't set right. And don't forget to prep your area properly by cleaning it and using form boards so your mix stays where it should while curing. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people not measuring water correctly, which messes up the consistency and strength of the mix. Just take your time adding water bit by bit. Another common slip-up is skipping the surface prep. If your area is dirty or wet, the concrete won't stick well and could crack down the line. Lastly, rushing the curing process is a huge no-no. Cover your project and keep it moist for at least a few days so it sets strong and lasts long. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty dope because it hooks up homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid spot for contractors to find new jobs and grow their business without all the usual hassle.